Guys, it's Davis here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy a04s right here. No disclosure. Right, so guys, if you're not subscribed, hit me subscribe, and if you end up liking what's in the video, give me a thumbs up. I'm grateful for that. Right, so let's start off with unboxing. For this phone, you start unboxing it from top actually, which is weird, unusual. So yeah, you just pull off the box like that. Now the first thing that you'll see is the box in a box. So this contains your user manuals, as always. Then you get your IMEI stickers as well. You're then greeted by the device itself, which we're going to look at in a bit. So for the rest of the contents, you have your USB-A to USB-C charging cable, as well as a charging brick. Nice, you know, most of the devices no longer get this, but it's good that at least for these entry-level devices they still include the charger in the box, because most people don't really actually have chargers. Very many people who buy these entry-level devices don't have chargers available to them. Yeah, so that's great to see. Then finally you get your SIM ejector tool. Right, so that's for the contents of the box. Now let's take a look at the device itself. The color I got here is copper color. Samsung's own words call it the copper color. It's more like champagne gold or pink. Yeah, so that's what it looks like in this color. Samsung Galaxy A04 device. Outside of talking about the cameras in the back here, so you get 3 cameras, one being your 50MP main camera, the other 2 being the 2MP macro camera and 2MP depth sensor. And your flash at the back is okay. Design generally is really good, like that. The way it looks is simple and classy. Right, so at the top you get your one microphone, and on the right hand side here you get your volume rocker and your power button that doubles up as fingerprint scanner, which is nice. At the bottom here you get your bottom firing speaker, which I'll be talking more about in my full review. You also get your USB-C charging port that can charge up to 15 watts maximum, and then your secondary mic, yeah, for noise cancellation. Yeah, so it's good that you have 2 microphones at this price point. For most of the other brands you'll be getting 1 microphone. Yeah, you also get your headphone jack, which is nice to see. Nice to see that. Left hand side right here you get your SIM tray that can house 2 micro SIMs and an SD card, which is very good. So for most of the phones right now, you can only, for most of the premium S-series phones at the moment, you can only have 1 SD card and one SIM card. You can't actually have 2 SIM cards and an SD card. Yeah, but this gives you that option. Yeah, which is very nice. So looking at the front of the phone here, you're greeted by the 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. So this is at 720p, so it's not the sharpest display, and you also get 90 Hz, which is a good thing. Yeah, you're going to have smooth scrolling. Yeah, it's not a big deal for me, but it's there at least. Yeah, and for the software you get Android 12 until you get Android 13, which is going to be around March next year, I believe, according to the official list of Samsung. So yeah, for now you're going to be stuck with Android 12 on this, but I think Android 12 is actually okay. You get most of the new features, like so whatever the color palette, so you can change the theme and all that, your icons and right. So the front also has a very big bezels, as you'd expect at this price point. But yeah, you get a water drop notch at the top that houses your 5MP camera. Yeah, so I'll be talking more about most of these things, the cameras and the performance, in my full review. I'll be giving more detail. For now I'm just talking about the specifications. So talking about the performance, you get the Exynos A50. Yeah, for this one, I think that's about that. And for the battery, you get your 5000 mAh battery. Yeah, which is very good for this. Only that it charges at 15 watts, which is going to take forever. But I think the specifications on this are really good. Yeah, so I'm going to be talking more about this device in my full review, which will be coming up soon as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.